The sun gives energy to life on Earth, and without this star, we wouldn't be here. But even stars have limited lifetimes, and someday our sun will die. The sun is about 4.5 billion years old. It has used up about half of its nuclear fuel, that is hydrogen. In about 5 billion years from now, the sun will begin to die. As the sun grows old, it will expand. As the core runs out of hydrogen and then helium, the core will contract and the outer layers will expand, cool, and become less bright. It will become a red giant star. By the way, the Earth will be long gone by that time, turned into a crisp by the incredible heat, and in the end swallowed by the sun. Anyways, the outer layers of the sun will continue to expand. As this happens, the core will contract, the helium atoms in the core will fuse together, forming carbon atoms and releasing energy. The core will then be stable since the carbon atoms are not further compressible. Then the outer layers of the sun drift off into space, forming a planetary nebula. A planetary nebula has nothing to do with planets, exposing the core. Most of its mass will go to the nebula. The remaining sun will cool and shrink. It will eventually be only a few thousand miles in diameter. The star is now a white dwarf, a stable star with no nuclear fuel. It radiates its leftover heat for billions of years. When its heat is all dispersed, it will be a cold, dark black dwarf, essentially a dead star.